Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath & Body Works content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate your support so much. So in this video, I would like to give you guys my review of Bath & Body Works Raspberry Jam Donut, which is part of the new Bake Shop collection for spring 2021. Let me just read you the scent notes. We've got wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, warm fluffy donut. Let the aroma of an indulgent sweet treat take you away to the bake shop of your dreams. So the retail price for the body cream is $14.50 and the fine fragrance mist is $15.50. And here is the packaging. Okay. The fragrance mist, and there is the body cream. Okay, so first off, I will say I love this scent. You definitely get the powdered sugar, and it's like a the raspberry is it's hard to say. It smells authentic to me. You get the powdered sugar, and I really like this fragrance, you guys. Like, when you first put it on, you're hit by it. It just smells almost like, okay, you know when you're you're having toast and like you spread the strawberry jam on your toast, and the toast has the butter and it's warm. That's how it smells. Like, the raspberry jam note smells very authentic to my nose. And you can really smell this when you first apply it. It's like, ooh, hello. Now, after about an hour, it starts to get light. You know what I mean? To where, I mean, maybe I just couldn't smell it on myself anymore. But where I literally had to smell myself in order to smell it. But you get that powdered, sugary, bready, and raspberry jam. It's really delicious. I love gourmand scents. I think you would have to be a bakery lover to enjoy this, which I am. So I'm really enjoying this. I love it. Now, there's been a question, does this smell like Santa's blueberry shortbread? And my consensus is that yes, it does. When I first smelled this, I thought, where have I smelled that before? And it is Santa's blueberry shortcake, because it's got that same it's got like that same like bready saltiness. I'm probably not describing that very well, but it does. It's very similar. I'm not going to say it's a dupe for it, because it's not, but it's very similar. Unfortunately, I used up the last of my Santa's blueberry shortbread. I used it up. I love that one. So I can't do a side-by-side comparison, but it definitely reminds me of that. And I think if you love that one, then you will love this, and vice versa. So definitely pick this up if you like bakery, sweet, fruity fragrances. And yeah, you know, if you're missing the blueberry shortbread one, then you could, this would be a good substitute for it. You know what I mean? To get you through until Bath & Body Works re-releases that one. But I really love this. After about an hour, it did die down, and it didn't, like, on the die down, I guess you get less of that raspberry jam and more of just like a powdered sugar, like, breadiness is what it really smelled like. But when you first apply it, you're definitely hit by that. Did I say strawberry jam? I mean raspberry jam, because I've never had raspberry jam. So to me, this sort of smells like strawberry jam. That's what I would liken it to. But you definitely get raspberry, but it's nice. Yeah, when you first apply it, it just smells like raspberry jam. It's really nice. So that's my review for Raspberry Jam Donut. And comment and let me know what you think about this. I love to know that you guys stopped by my channel. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.